All right, I just got this because I need to see if I can snake my drain because we've got a little bit of cloggage in the bathroom. So we're gonna try it out and see what we think. All right, so here's the situation. Draining slow, draining slow. So we're gonna try this first. If this doesn't work, then I'm gonna probably have to use an auger. All right, so let's get it out of the package. We got 3 of them, and I think it was pretty cheap. I don't think I really got hit too hard for this. I think the packaging is more expensive than the friggin' things, you know what I mean? I mean, look. That's so ridiculous. I do believe we've got 3, yeah. So I'm gonna put 1 in each bathroom, and you can see them. So the idea behind it is kind of like it's like a barb, and when you stick this down in there, it's supposed to pull all of the hair out. So we're gonna try that. I'm gonna try to straighten it out a little bit here, get it straight. But yeah, now it's nice and straight. And I've got 2 more. Let's do those. Let's just get them bent out a little bit. And that way we can use them, you know, whenever we need them in the other bathrooms. I put 1 in each bathroom. Well, we got 4 bathrooms, but I'll just put it in 3. All right, so here we are, and now we can go ahead and try it. All right, so what I do is I just kind of fish it down in there like this. You know, and you got to kind of move it around a little bit. Be careful not to get it on your, you know, get it stuck on your finger. But you can get down in there. And then if there's any hair, when you pull it up, like that, you see that? Kind of get the hair out of there. It kind of catches on those little barbs. And then you can kind of pull it. If not, we have to go back down in. You know what I mean? See, it just doesn't want to come out, right? Pretty gross, really. I should have gloves. I'll wash my hands afterwards. Oh my gosh, look at that. That could be one of the reasons it's not you know, draining. Let's get in there again. Oh yeah, pulling her out. Look at that. Yucky, yucky. So that's, you know, that's working pretty good, I gotta say. But we've got a lot more to do. Let's keep on going. I may scoop this stuff up with a piece of toilet paper. You don't want to put it in there, you want to put it in the garbage. So I'm just going to get this out of here for right now because I want to flush some water down there, right? So don't put this back down your drain. That's stupid. We're going to throw this out. So we're putting it in here. Looks like I got to clean that out too. All right, let's go back down one more time because we're getting a lot out, aren't we? Turn on the water. Going down deep. Trying to get it in there. All right, let's see if we can get it pulled out. Oh shoot. I want to come up. All right, we've encountered something that we didn't want to encounter. There we go. All right, so let's go on to one of the other sides here. See if we can get down in there. Like that. Now there's a little hair, not much. Let's try in the back. So you want to go on all 4 sides, you know. See if it, because you may not. I think that's it, man. We did it. Look at that. Now it's draining. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.